Nestled amidst the breathtaking mountains of Sierra de Tapalpa, Jalisco, lies a haven of peace and tranquility, 28.0855. This architectural marvel isn't just a structure, it's a harmonious blend of design and nature, a testament to respecting the environment while creating a sanctuary for the soul. The very foundation of 28.0855 reflects the honesty of its design. Inspired by the traditional dry stone walls found in Mexican villages, Atelier reinterprets this concept with locally sourced stone. Each piece is meticulously placed, its angular shapes forming a natural cohesion, echoing the strength of the mountains that surround it. The curves soften the edges, a gentle touch that whispers of the rolling fields nearby. The name itself, 28.0855, holds a deeper meaning. It's the atomic weight of silicon, the very element that forms the base of most stones found in nature. This project seamlessly integrates with its surroundings, both inside and out. Prepare to embark on a contemplative walk through its central courtyard and interior gardens. Here, whispers of Japanese onsen tradition come alive. Water, stones, and lush greenery create pockets of relaxation, inviting you to unwind and reconnect with yourself. As you move towards the spa area, privacy becomes paramount. The design cleverly utilizes inward-facing spaces and stone walls, fostering a sense of serenity and seclusion. But 28.0855 is more than just beautiful, it's sustainable. The architects prioritized passive design principles. South-facing spaces minimize the need for artificial cooling or heating. Double-glazed windows act as natural insulators, and the very stones used regulate temperature naturally. This not only reduces energy consumption but also honors the environment. .0855 is the embodiment of a remarkable fusion. It bridges the gap between traditional Japanese architecture and the Mexican vernacular style. It discards unnecessary embellishments, focusing on the essence, creating a space that fosters peace, connection, and unforgettable experiences. So, come, take a deep breath, and immerse yourself in the tranquility of 28.0855. This haven awaits you, a place where nature and design intertwine to create a sanctuary for the soul. Here's a look at the floor plan of the home.